Congratulations on reaching the end of the third week in this course on extracting, transforming, and loading data in Power BI. You've now reached the end of this module. Let's take a few minutes to recap what you've learned. You began this module by exploring the process of transforming data in Power BI. You first examined why data needs to be transformed. You learned that raw data is not always gathered or sourced in a condition that's suitable to work with. It might be incomplete, inconsistent, or have other errors. So it's important that you transform and clean your data. You can clean data by setting up filters in Power BI that identify and resolve errors. This way, the filtered data is accurate, consistent, structured, and easier to analyze. You then reviewed Power Query and its interface. You learned how to navigate this interface and locate useful tools and features for connecting, cleaning, and transforming data from a wide range of sources. And you explored the steps for these actions by helping AdventureWorks connect to its data sources and then clean and transform the data they contained. An important part of this cleaning process includes the applied steps list, an editable list of all transformations applied to a selected query. You can use this list to undo and reorder steps in the process. Next, you explored the different data types in Power BI. The data types you explored included number types, data and time type, text, or true or false, and binary. You learned that these different data types are used to classify values to help you better organize and structure your data sets. You also learned that when working with data sets, you might need to remove and rename columns. You were presented with many of the benefits of reworking columns, like more efficient, readable, and enhanced data and analysis or significant time and resource savings. You continue to explore Power Query by reviewing steps for dealing with common errors. Power Query can fix errors like null values, duplicate rows, and inconsistent data types. It's important to resolve these errors before analyzing your data in Power Query. You then made use of your new knowledge by helping AdventureWorks to prepare a data set by cleaning the data and resolving its errors. You then undertook a knowledge check. In this item, you proved your understanding of the concepts you encountered by answering a series of questions. Finally, you explored a list of additional resources designed to help you improve your knowledge of the topics that you covered this week. In the second week of this module, you explored advanced data transformation methods in Power BI. You began this week by learning about the importance of data combination, combine information, create relationships between tables, improve data and analysis, and simplify data management. You then reviewed the two main methods for combining data in Power BI, which are append and merge. Append means to add one table row or query to another. Merge means consolidating data from multiple data sources into a single table. And you examined the process for combining tables with append in Power Query Editor. You then put your new skills to use by assisting AdventureWorks with appending tables in their database. Next, you completed a knowledge check which tested your understanding of these concepts through a series of questions. And you were presented with a list of additional resources that you could review to learn more about advanced data transformation. In week 3, you learned about methods for combining data that you could use for data transformation. You discovered that one method of combining data is to use a join. A join is a useful way of combining data from different sources. You also learned that join keys are the values used to link rows between tables. You also learned that there are different types of joins. These different types include the left outer join, right outer join, full outer join, and inner join. Which of these join types you choose to use depends on your data transformation needs. You then looked at how to combine tables using a merge operation in Power Query Editor. By identifying the relevant keys and required join operations, you can merge two or more tables to deliver new insights into your data. Next, you demonstrated your competence with these new skills by helping AdventureWorks to merge two of their data sources to deliver new insights into their business. Finally, you undertook a knowledge check, which tested your understanding of the concepts that you encountered this week. And you completed a module quiz, in which you demonstrated your understanding of all concepts you encountered throughout the entire module. You've learned a lot about transforming data in Power BI, and as you approach the next module, consider going through some of the learning material again to reinforce your understanding. Looking ahead, you will expand your knowledge of the ETL process by diving into advanced ETL in Power BI, where you will learn all about loading and profiling data and advanced queries. Best of luck!